It is cold, it is wet, it is rainy. Let's go to Knoxville, Todd.
Let's do it.
All right. Chattanooga. We've stopped at Cheddar's, which is a lot of fun. Our waitress has already told her a great deal about herself, which terrifies me. Yeah, we're just gonna chill out and get some food. I have a feeling we're both getting the exact same thing, and then we'll probably be back on our road. Back on the road. Real quick shot of the menu here. I like any place personally that has chicken fingers as big as your head. Todd, are we both getting the exact same thing?
If you're getting the steak and tenders,
I am not getting the steak and tenders.
okay, then we're not getting the same thing.
Okay, fine. Here you go. I do like their Monte Cristo here. I'm tempted.
I keep thinking it's this way, but it's not.
No, it's not. Yeah.
Actually, print it the right way.
Yeah.
Except it's turned over like that.
So I've been on the road for about an hour and a half, and we're taking a break in Chattanooga. We've stopped at Cheddar's, which is a lot of fun. Our waitress has already told her a great deal about herself, which terrifies me. Yeah, we're just gonna chill out and get some food. I have a feeling we're both getting the exact same thing, and then we'll probably be back on our road. Back on the road. All right, Todd, what did you get for your lunch?
I got 8-ounce sirloin, fries, chicken fingers, mashed potatoes.
So,
and I'm carving up. Hi, Jen. And what did you get for your lunch?
one of the things I like about Cheddar's is the fact they do give you chicken fingers the size of your hand. So I just got the chicken fingers platter with some barbecue sauce.
And a whole lot of fries.
Whole lot of fries. All right, Todd, you destroyed your lunch, man. How was it?
2 thumbs up.
Yep. What'd you like? What'd you like best about it?
Chicken fingers.
Yeah.
You should have gone all chicken fingers.
Yeah, their chicken fingers are really, really good here. I love their flavor, like the breading.
Yep.
All of it, all the way around. The barbecue sauce I thought was really good too.
Yeah, the barbecue sauce was on the point.
So yeah. I left fries on the table. So
Can't say I blame you. That's a whole lot of carbs.
says the man who had fries and mashed potatoes.
Indeed.
Gotcha. Well, we'll be getting back on the road here in just a moment.
Yep.
More than likely, next shop will be us either rolling up to the hotel or us inside.
Yep.
So we are in the Knoxville Hilton. We just want to do a quick room tour. First is a fairly ample closet space with a safe and a couple of robes, extra blankets and pillows, ironing board, because we'll certainly want to have that for our t-shirts. The bathroom right here, I really like the lighting in here. They did a good job with that. Hi, that's me. That's me and I've been driving for an hour and a half here. Single sink, nice size, good size bathroom actually. A nice size shower with the built-ins there for the soaps and shampoos, which means we're not stealing the soaps and shampoos without a screwdriver.
I can arrange that.
We've got 2 queen-size beds, which is nice because it means that Todd and I don't have to curl up with each other unless we really, really want to.
Damn it. I mean,
we did not get the view that I was requesting, which of course was the river view. What we got was the view of the roof of the place next door.
you just said, I want the roof next door.
Yeah, nobody giving us the river. Actually, you know what, dude?
What?
We got a view of the river. It's right over there.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Raise my head again.
Yeah, she's right over there.
Yeah.
So
They gave you what you wanted.
They did. They did. I'm loving the size of the TV. That's got to be a 48 to a 55 right there.
Yep.
And then we've got... Todd walks in the way of the camera shot.
Sorry.
No worries. We do have a mini fridge in here, which is good. Ice. We've got coffee makers, which we won't use because neither of us drink coffee. The stuff is from Coffee Bean Tea Leaf, which is interesting. I don't know what that is, but it sounds good. Nice full-length mirror, and yeah, that's about it. There are some USB ports and plug-ins right over here, and they know me well. They've put in a power surge. So yeah, that is the room. I kind of like it. It's a good spot. We're on the 16th floor, so we got a heck of a high view. And yeah, so not too shabby all in all. So we just hit our first snag. Every year that we've come to FanBoy in the past, we've been able to pick up our badges, pick up our packages for autographs and photos the day before. That's why we get here about 5 o'clock on the night before. And this year they're not doing that, and they didn't bother posting that they weren't going to do it, and they didn't post that we weren't going to be able to pick up until tomorrow morning starting at 8 a.m. So yeah, kind of a drag in that aspect. And I'll be honest with you, the volunteer who decided to tell us this was not the most gracious, which is a little unfortunate and kind of irritating. I get it. They're trying to get everything ready to go, and the last thing they need is to have to deal with a couple people who are trying to get something that's not possible. But still, the way it was handled was not that great. So now Todd and I have to figure out what we're going to do. We're probably going to kick back for a little bit, relax, and then, I don't know, maybe run out for dinner. We'll see what happens. So yeah, not the most auspicious start for this trip, but not going to let it hold me down. We'll get through it, and we will continue on. What you're seeing here is a cheeseburger with grilled cheese sandwiches for buns. And Todd got a giant ham and cheese. Yep. This is a cross-section of my sandwich, which I don't know that I can actually fit in my mouth. We'll see what happens. Ripley's old McDonald's farm mini golf.
Wow.
Wow.
Ain't nobody out there.
Because it's 4 degrees outside. So we're back in the room. Dinner at Blue Moose was amazingly good. We did not finish our food at all. Talk about the potato skins.
Potato skins were awesome. If we had a place like this close to where I live, I'd be visiting them all the time.
The potato skins had a really nice a snap to them when you bit into them, but were really fresh.
Yep.
And very, very tasty. I really thought that the mozzarella sticks were excellent. They definitely, we never found out for sure, but I think that there was a second cheese in there. I think it was mozzarella and cheddar.
Yep.
But I can't say for
Unless you were getting it from the...
Unless I was getting it from the breading. But there was definitely a sharpness somewhere in there. So that was really good. You got, what was the sandwich that you got?
I got
videotaped it. But
a Swiss ham and cheese.
It was a hot ham and cheese.
Hot ham and cheese. And it's about a foot long like that. And by the time I'd had 2 mozzarella sticks, 6 potato skins.
Was it 6 potato skins or
Yes.
4 potato skins? You had 8 potato skins total?
No.
Because I had 2
You had
and you
2,
had 6.
6.
Good gravy.
Yeah, so between all that, and while we were sitting there waiting for our food to get there, I was like, I think I'm done.
Yeah.
I took a few bites and I was like, yeah, could I get a to-go box?
Yeah. My burger was insane. It was a quarter pound or a half pound burger.
It was big.
It was a half pound burger with bacon, a disc of fried mac and cheese on it, a slice of cheese, and then the buns were grilled cheese sandwiches. Mm-hmm. So I have not eaten that many calories
In a while.
ever.
You lie.
We did see some of the desserts. The table next to us was very nice about that, and no. I liked my burger. I ate half the burger. I liked it. The fries were okay. They're a lighter batter, and very reminiscent of the way Arby's does their curly fries, or Checkers.
Yes.
Does their fries, and for whatever reason, those just aren't my style.
Yeah.
That said, they were tasty.
Yeah, they were good.
You know, I can't, no complaints about it. Just not my style of fries.
As my wife said, I overcarbed.
Oh God, yeah. I mean,
We both did.
we're set to run a marathon tomorrow.
Yeah.
And stopped by Gigi's Cupcakes and got some desserts. We are not eating those tonight. And then kind of made our way back to the hotel room. It's about 10:30 now.
Yep.
Ish. Yeah, just all in all, I think this has been a good start. The weather hasn't been too terrible. And as soon, aside from not being able to get our passes and everything today, it's been a pretty good all the way around. No real complaints. And Blue Moose and Carlos, a big shout out to Carlos at Blue Moose. He was fantastic. And he didn't bring us cherries, but then again,
yeah, well,
we're not.
We also didn't get dessert either.
I got cherry Coke though. We could put a cherry Coke.
No, you got yours from the tap. Remember?
I did. It was good. So anyway, we're gonna close it here for now. But this is just the beginning. We've got 3 days of a con to go, and we'll be recording the entire time, and hopefully getting some panels. Get to see some cool shopping stuff. Get to see some celebs, and hopefully get to see some cosplay. It's Halloween weekend. You never know. This con is not known for its cosplay.
Yeah.
But every once in a while, we'll see somebody that looks pretty cool.
Yep.
And we'll be bringing that to you. In the meantime, a real quick reminder: like, share, subscribe, tell your friends about us. Keep the momentum going. And again, any place can be an adventure with the right people. So find your people. We'll see you next time. Bye now.
It's an interesting mix. Thai, Cece's Pizza.
Nail salon. It's a strip mall.